How to change your birthday if under 13 on Roblox. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, start off by launching your Roblox in your device. If you have not logged in yet, make sure to log in into your Roblox account. To change your birthday if under 13, it is pretty simple. Just follow this step. Tap on the More option and head over to the Settings icon. Tap on Account Info. If you are under 13, there might be a parental lock, for which you will need a 4-digit PIN to get passed through the security. After which, under Personal, you will see the Birthday option. In order to change the birthday, you can easily enter the month, date and the year. However, in each process, you will have to enter an OTP code that will be sent to your designated email address. So go ahead and find out the 6-digit code and enter it over here. After which, the date of birth can be easily edited. And as I told, it is for the each step, that is for month, day and the year. Once you are done from here, you can easily save it, or it is automatically saved by Roblox itself. If you wish to, you can verify your age by tapping on Verify My Age. In that case, you will have to upload some of the identification documents, or just scan the QR code of the document. And it's a wrap for the video as well. We hope that you found it informative and helpful to you.